Hi, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the beautiful excitation of xenon gas. Check this out. You might remember that xenon is an inert, noble gas. It's actually the most rare and the heaviest of all noble gases with 54 protons. It's 4.5 times heavier than air. All I'm using in this demonstration is my Uden coil and an ampule of xenon gas. You can see how the Uden coil discharges plasma. So what's going on in this beautiful demonstration is xenon gas is becoming excited by the plasma discharge from the Uden coil. And when that happens, these electrons go to an outer energy level, and when they come back to their grounded state, each electron releases one photon, a particle of light. And each photon has a wavelength. In this case, the wavelength is right around 470 nanometers, and you can see through the light spectrum that that's the color blue. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.